close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello my people, hope you're doing well. Welcome back again to this channel. My name is Henry, and if you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now you know you are always my best friend. So today is on Friday and I'm at my workplace. I had come to collect something that I had forgotten yesterday at my station. I've already taken that and I'm leaving to go help my mom do a window shopping for her car. She has been wanting to trade in her car and exchange to upgrade to a new model car. So that's what we are going to be doing today. I'm hoping I'll be able to have you tagged along. So guys, let's do this, and subscribe if you've not.
On our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Just gotten home from CBD. I had gone to do my lashes and also to run a few errands. I was hoping to pass by Turi because my nails have outgrown. You can see how grown they are. They are all intact. These are 5 weeks nails. This is the kind of work that we do at Turi. We give you long-lasting nails. We save you money and time from frequent appointments to your nail salon. So we give you lasting nails like these ones. I'm hoping to do my nails tomorrow, and I'll tag you along on that. For now, I'm here to show you how my lashes turned out. Yeah, you can see how cute they are. I know you already want me to plug it. Yeah, they're so cute. I'm already in love with them. And as always, I'll never fail to plug you. I'm going to leave her page on my screen so that you can maybe also go patronize her and get such lashes, such beautiful lashes. And if you notice, my eyes are not red, and I've just come from being installed the lashes, and that's the reason why I choose her to be my lash tech, because no itchiness, no redness, just beauty. Yeah. So see you tomorrow as we do my nails.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Kavita? You find it? Okay.
Baby shark, do you ready?
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. You're heavy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time and whichever place that you're watching me from. So today is on Wednesday and I'm going to Turi to do my nails. Remember yesterday I had mentioned to you that I'm going to do my nails today and I'm going to be tagging you along. So yeah, that's the plan of the day, and I'm putting on these glasses that I got from CBD the day that I was doing my lashes, and they look so cute. I love them. And on my hair I have this cute extension, and today I'm feeling so beautiful. I feel so cute. I love how I look today. And let me not talk to you too much. Let me go and get my nails done. Peace. Let me talk to you in my next one.
The horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
I do make appointment here at Turi just like any other client, and I also do payments, but I get worked on by two nail techs so that to save on time, and probably they can work on other clients.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
The best part of my manicure services has been these massages, because you know our hands do a lot, and they never get the TLC that they deserve at times. So I truly feel that this comes well in handy after the manicure, and this is free. So come enjoy this at Turi.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
On my way home, I passed by Carrefour to pick a few items that I needed.
Through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi, today I'm a chauffeur to one of the most important person in my life, that is my spiritual dad. Today he's being made a priest. In ACK we call them reverends because he's in the ACK side. Since before I got married, I was an ACK person, and we have been with him for the longest time. He has been guiding me spiritually, praying for me, and where I am, I can say it's because of his prayers and his spiritual guidance. And today is a very happy moment for us. We are here at Keno Cathedral, Archdiocese of Muranga. They already got in to take the oath, and for us, we are waiting for them to finish so that we can go inside and celebrate and have a service together.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to.
Hello, today is work day, and for today I'm not going to be tagging you along with my daily activities because of the patient's privacy and such. And I'm here to wish you a very good day, a fruitful one, and a blessed happy day. See you in my next one.
Create a song. I don't wanna
Can you guess how old my lashes are? By the look? First guess, let me know in the comment section. How old do you think they are? To your surprise, imagine these lashes are 2 weeks old. Yes, and still they look intact. They look in good shape for 2 weeks. Yeah, and this is not a paid ad, to be honest. I'm only giving my lash tech flowers because she does deserve the flowers. This was actually my first time going to Karen Beauty for lashes, and they did me good. They did me good because tell me how these lashes are 2 weeks. I know some have fallen down, which is expected, but for 2 weeks to look like this, for 2 weeks lashes to look like this is a win, right? This is a win. So you can take all your money to Karen Beauty for your lashes. And for those who ask me kama zinanidunga dunga, they are not, they are so comfortable actually. They are so comfortable. Actually sijaipata lashes zenye ziko comfortable before kama hizi, honestly. They deserve all your lashes money. Trust me. 2 weeks. Hey, hey, Karen Beauty, I'm honestly coming back again.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi, today I want to unbox with you my Secret Santa gifts. Yeah, I got them around the Christmas period, but I was not able to shoot them. So let's unbox with you. I actually have 2 gifts over here. Yay! I'm so happy. I love gifts. I love gifts. I love gifts. So let's unbox and see what I got. I also show you what I gifted my friends. So I'll start with this black bag from Linton's. So here I got some lip mask. Yay! I also got this is hydrating facial mask. This is the collagen eye mask. I also got highlighters. I got crunchies in my favorite colors. This is in cream. This is in lilac and maroon. Aish. This girl really knows me. I also got a notebook. So fancy, so thoughtful. Love you, Vivian. Oh, I also got a hand cream. This is the hand cream. This is she knows. I love my nails. I love my nails. So I have to keep hydrating my hands. Also, I got lip oil. This is a lip oil. It's warm change. Yeah, it's a warm change lip oil. She also got me some more hair accessories. Look at this. How cute is this? How cute is this? Look at that. So cute. And a pen. A cute pen. Not only just a pen, but a cute pen. And also, here I have some. This is the concentrated oil perfume. This is an oil perfume. I had to unbox this because the person who gifted me had to be sure that I'll be able to tolerate the scent or I'll love the scent that she gifted me. And let me show you how the bottle of the oil looks like. You're not even ready, guys. Are you even ready? Are you even ready? Huh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ish. Ish. Look at the packaging, my guys. Look at the packaging, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the smell. That little girl in me. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's the first bag. Let's go to the second bag. Here goes the second bag. And in this bag, we have a package over here. I'm so much in love with this. I'm so much in love with this. So first, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's just giving me that vibe. The little girl in me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The little girl in me is just being elevated. You see? So it has a soap. It has what's this? It has tamarind herbal soap. It also have tomato whatever and a loofah. So this one, this is how it looks. The packaging. Oh, the packaging is everything. So let's unbox it and see what is in here. So here we have this tamarind soap. We also have this loofah scrub. This is so cute. And also we have this tomato. This is tomato 100% tomato herbal soap. So that's how the package looks like. I'm so much in love with that. And it has a candle. When I'm just doing my self-care, it comes in with this candle. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. And before I forget, I want to also review my eyebrows once more. And this is the third week. Yeah. And this is how they look good. I'm going to end this video here. I know the video is all over, but I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye and take care of yourselves.